Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Mixed chaat, a savory snack which you can easily devour at roadside food carts back home. Chaat comes in dozens, if not hundreds, of varieties. It's more of a state of mind than a recipe, an invitation to customize based on the contents of your fridge and the whims of your appetite. Today I'm sharing my version of mixed chaat, so here's how to chaat anytime you please. So for the base of my mixed chart, I am making meaty dahi pulki. I already shared the recipe with you guys and I will leave the link down below for you. So I just make a regular meaty dahi pulki and then you can adjust the sugar in this yogurt, but I prefer to keep it sweeter as it should be. Then the second thing we need is chutney. I already shared a lot of chutney recipe, but today I am using imli and sotki chutney. The third thing is the crispiness. We need papri for that. And I'm making my own with this uncooked flour tortilla. Just fry the tortilla until it's crispy. Just break them into pieces when it's cooled down. And you can keep them in the fridge in a Ziploc bag for future use. Now, if you have everything prepared, just it's time to arrange and serve your mixed salad. I am just arranging my meaty dahi pulki on a serving platter with a lot of extra yogurt on top. I would surely call it a quick fix recipe. Now it's time to scatter some cholas on top. You can use some boiled potatoes as well, but I'm just using a boiled chickpeas and scattering on top of the meaty dahi pulki. Now slather your mixture with the chutney. I'm using tamarind chutney only, but if you prefer, you can use green chutney as well. And then I'm adding some seedless chopped tomatoes and chopped onions. Then top it off with some papri, and in the end, sprinkle some chaat masala. This is my basic version of mixed chaat. You can add anything or everything to according to your family preference. As I said, it's a quick fix. If you have everything prepared in your fridge and freezer, you can make this mixture in some couple of minutes and have it with your family at iftar. And if you're trying this at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send me with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish. And please remember me and my family in your prayers. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.